When we use our brains, neurons fire carrying electrical signals to different parts of our body. And while we loosely know how different parts of our brains are responsible for dealing with different functions and thought processes, for the first time ever, scientists from the University of California, Berkeley say they've been able to track a thought as it travels through the brain. But how? They used what's called electrocorticography, or ECog, a method that records individual neuron electrical activity on epilepsy patients during surgery. While hundreds of electrodes were attached to their brains, the participants were asked to listen or look at stimuli and in turn respond or make an action. And researchers found they could track the perception of audio cues as they entered areas known to be associated with processing sounds through the brain and into the prefrontal cortex, an action devising area of the brain, and further into the motor cortex, where eventually the participants performed whatever action they were prompted to perform. And while most of this was expected, the experiment highlighted more than just giving a real-time view of thoughts moving through a human brain. It also revealed just how important the prefrontal cortex is in most of our thought processes, with Robert Knight, UC Berkeley neuroscientist, calling the prefrontal cortex the, quote, glue of cognition.